Here's a heat map of bicluster data. What I want to do is sort this so that the biclusters are obvious. To do this, I will go to the upper left-hand corner and then select all the data. So there's all the data selected. Then I'm going to sort, and I'll sort by row 1. This is sorting left to right. Let's do top to bottom because that's a little bit clearer. So I'm going to sort by column A, and I'll do largest to smallest because the um, biclusters are bigger numbers and the noise are smaller than the big numbers. So there I did a sort by column A, and column A has a bicluster in it. If it didn't, then there'd be noise there, but it does have one in there. Now I'm going to sort by left to right, and row 1, and there a bicluster is identified. And now that one's identified, I want to ignore it and go to the next set of data, which is this set of data. So this is the data that's still unsorted. And I'll do the same thing. I'll come in here and sort, and it doesn't really matter which I do. In fact, I'll do left to right first. And I'll go by the first row, and I'll do large to small. And so now they've been sorted, and a bicluster has been identified. And now we'll sort top to bottom, and I'll sort by the first column selected, and largest to smallest. Now the second bicluster has been identified. And then we'll continue on doing this. If I can select it, do a sort, top to bottom, first column selected, largest to smallest. Then do a sort, left to right, first column selected. And now that bicluster has been identified. Then we continue on for the next two.